What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy motorcycles in GTA 5 story mode. So if you have any trouble with buying motorcycles or any vehicle in GTA 5 story mode, we got you covered. So let's dive straight into it. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video because you would help us a lot. And I got also a video over here to get a 100% saved game, and you will get a lot of money. I will show you. I've got over $2 billion. So yeah, definitely try that out and let me know what you think about it. For now, I will go into our garage, and I will see you in a bit. So we arrived at our garage. What we will do, we will open our phone and we will go to the web browser. After that, go to travel and transport, and yeah, most likely go all the way down to Southern San Andreas Super Autos. What you can do is filter the list and go again all the way down, and there you will see motorcycles. Now, what you can do, choose one you would like to have. Let's say you want the scooter, the Veggio. Choose the color, click on buy, and you have just ordered a scooter. So if you would like to order another bike, you can also do that through this option. And what we will do now is wait a bit, and as you can see, it's delivered to the garage. Now we need to enter our garage. Make sure you got some money for a garage and buy it. And after that, as you can see, we are entering the garage, and there is our scooter. So that is basically how you buy motorcycles and scooters in GTA 5 story mode. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.